One day I was eating at Simpkins, having a delightful dinner out with the gals. But then one day someone came, and they took me away. They told me to go with them. I was scared. I was terrified. They took me to the nursing home. Yeah, at least I still have my newspaper. I used to read about all my sons, and it was so good. Didn't have Ricky Dale to comfort me, but then again, that old Ricky Dale, what would he do? He just wouldn't do really that much anyhow, anyway. So, yeah, still very lonely here. I miss my Simpkins. Took away my gals, took away my Simpkins. I'm all alone. Nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing. Then one day, at lunchtime, I realized something. That
Simpkins Caters. Hello? Is this Tasha? Oh, well that's nice. I just called and told you how I was feeling over here in the nursing home. It's nice. I found out Chip gets catered, so it's pretty okay. And Brandon finally got a good paying job. And John, he got another check for another $1 million for grading all them English papers. Well, I'll call you back later. Bye. Bye. You too. Bye.